Anyway, what's going on, YouTube? As you can see, I'm in the bus. I'm shooting this short little blurb on Father's Day. I haven't driven the bus in a little while, and I'm going to this restaurant kind of on the border of the state forest where I like to take the bus for a ride out there. Anyway, so we're gonna take the bus to pick up my Father's Day dinner. But I needed to shoot this little clip to tell you a little bit about the video that you're about to see. All right, so let's talk about the matters at hand. So, as most of you know, I did not drop a video this Wednesday after promising that I will drop a video every Wednesday. I did drop a video just a few days early on Sunday, which is not my day to drop a video, but I really wanted to get one out to you, and that's when I dropped the GoPro review video. I had every intentions on dropping my first Moto Vlog on Wednesday as scheduled, but again, as some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I'm having some trouble with the new GoPro purchase. The GoPro Media Mod and GoPro Hero8 Black are not working together the way they're supposed to, specifically around having a external microphone plugged into the 3.5mm microphone jack that makes the Media Mod so handy. Without it, and the shotgun mic on the front isn't much better than the GoPro microphone that's built in. And I mean, the HDMI cable it's a nice little feature, but not necessary. The HDMI port, that is. And the charging port being on the outside, I mean, well, there's workarounds for that. They make doors so that you can still access the charging port. Some of this you've already heard before, excuse me. So, long story short, shot a Moto Vlog in Philly with Scooter. We rode over there, took you guys by some of the stadiums, took you guys by some of the past and present race spots, some of the past and present stunt spots. We went down South Street. We saw a bunch of wild men on Can-Am Spiders, and then we went to Pat's and Gino's and grabbed some lunch before heading home. And I would say that 85 to 90% of the footage, the audio was just completely unusable due to flaws in the GoPro setup that I'm using. So, I mean, unusable to the point where no one's going to watch it. The audio was so bad, the popping and hissing was so bad. No one would watch it. I can't put it out there. So what you're going to see in the video here is parts of the audio that I thought could be considered watchable. It's terrible. No, it is not the quality that I will bring you moving forward, but these are the parts that I thought were more watchable than others, and hopefully the visuals make up for it. But I promise you guys, I'm still working with GoPro. I'm extremely disappointed in this setup. Well, I'm going to get it figured out. I promise to give you guys some usable Moto vlogs that are hopefully a little enjoyable in the very near future. But in the meantime, here's some footage from the trip that Scooter and I took to Philly, which we will absolutely redo as soon as I get this audio figured out. And I hope you guys can get some enjoyment out of it. Back to uploads every Wednesday, so I will see you guys then. Peace. Okay, YouTube! Welcome to our first Moto Vlog. Resident Cali guy back there. We're heading to the city. Oh god, my bike just shut off. What an intro to a video! As you could see by watching me, I'm a dumb me and turned my bike off as we were riding because, growing pains of a Moto Vlog for the first time. I might edit that out. You might never see it. Anyway, we're heading over to the city. We're going to go to Philly. We're going to check out, see if there's anything still going on with protests, aftermath-wise. Hopefully grab a cheesesteak if there's anything open from COVID-19, because I'm hungry and he's always hungry, and cheesesteaks are delicious. Hopefully maybe find somebody to mess with on the way over there, car or bike-wise. My bike is still hurt with that. Maybe it's not a fuel vent issue like I told you guys last time, but my bike is still hurt with something. It has trouble at full throttle. So we'll start by just picking on this Hyundai Sonata in front of us and avoiding completely the Dodge Demon that we saw earlier. But anyway, let's get it. If you're not from the area, this is the bridge one of the bridges into Philly. You gotta get over. If you don't like traffic and you're afraid of congestion, speed bumps, potholes, people who don't use turn signals, people who like to share a lane with you, if you're afraid of any of those things, you should probably just turn around back there and not come this way. You guys thought Jersey drivers were bad. I did. By this guy? I don't think you guys will be able to hear him, but he was telling a story about how we almost got rear-ended when that lane ended. I guess somebody was going to try to come around us. Wasn't paying attention and instead was going to share the same lane with his rear tire. You're mad like 6'9"? Oh no, he's not mad. Everybody else is mad. Welcome to Philly. Over there we got Lincoln Financial Field and Citizens Bank Park, and also, where the hell do the Sixers play? What's it called? Wells Fargo Center. That's it. Yeah, but like the last second, it doesn't want to open. It's just like, I have to open. Straight or off? Alright, I'll follow you. What in the detour? Take you guys by the stadiums real quick. When I was growing up, this is where all the street races were. I actually was on the news on this street right here, avoiding the cops in my Monte Carlo by driving up on that little center median island thing to avoid the school buses that they brought out to block us in. So he's telling me that this is going to be the new casino and bar area called Philly Live. Citizens Bank Park here on the right. It's terrible. Only half, like you're only hearing half of a joke. So that's Citizens Bank Park. This is Lincoln Financial Field ahead up on the right. Darien Street, we used to race down here in between where you see Lincoln Financial Field and that dirt pile. The Jetro building used to be a stunt spot behind there, where all that construction is. I don't think anybody stunts there. They definitely don't race here anymore. The new sports complexes kind of put that to an end. K-Lot, isn't that that's the tailgate lot, right? Go Bird. Xfinity Live here on the left, which is kind of cool. I've never been there. He's been there. The place looks amazing. It's like 6 bars. It's kind of like a mall of bars on the inside. Oh look, she's got a selfie stick. She's vlogging. Can I be in your vlog? That's the Liberty Bell that used to be at the vet. That's Mike Schmidt, greatest third baseman in our franchise's history. One of the greatest third basemen ever, I'd say. I'm not sure who that statue is over there with the girl taking the selfie. Oh, he's taking a drink with him. Joe Frazier, maybe? Wasn't he a Philly guy? So the spot we're rolling up to now is behind Philadelphia International Airport. I believe this is the commercial runways, and it's the commercial hangars out here. So you'll see like some FedEx, some UPS trucks. You'll also see like their facilities are back here, and we have to deal with a lot of their trucks back in this area. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go up here, we're gonna turn right, and then there's actually a big, I don't know if it's decommissioned or if it's just injured, wounded, whatever. Yeah, so you'll get to see up close like a FedEx plane, I think it was. It's got covers over the door, covers over the engine. It's anchored to the ground. I'm not really sure what's going on with it. That trailer's not usually here either until that plane got here, so I'm guessing that has something to do with, I don't know, maybe working on that plane. We did pull over and check out some of the footage from these videos since this is my first time vlogging. The downside is we lost a section of footage that I really wanted to show you guys. And also, there's some crackling in the audio that wasn't there in any of the previous tests, so I'm not sure where that's going on. If it's still happening now, I apologize for that. As you guys know, this is my first moto vlog, so we'll definitely figure it out. One of the coolest things about this spot is that it's, oh wow, that bunny, wow. Sorry about that. I don't know how that bunny survived. One of the coolest things about this spot is that it's policed and controlled by motorcycles. Let's see if Scott's gonna do a flyby. Sounds so good. Yosh on that ZX6. So right now there's not gonna be anybody out here because it's the middle of the day, but typically cars aren't allowed to come back here for racing or hanging out, so the bikes will actually, make them leave and block the road, and we kind of keep this spot for us, so you won't see some of the same evidence of shenanigans on the road. You're not going to see a whole lot of burnout marks. You're not going to see donut marks, drift marks and stuff like that out here like you do in the race spot, because this is for us. In order to keep it safe for us, we can't allow all that to go on back here. Hopefully this video came out, because I already missed showing you guys the race spot, but to 11th and Passion, home of Pats and Gino's. If you've been here, you've probably only been to one. Russia is usually you're a Pats loyalist or a Gino's loyalist. I am a Gino's loyalist. Yeah, these look pretty good too. But this area right here, this triangle right here, Jason Britton put on a little mini show here when we had the clutch control ride. So I'm just saying, 636, you need to bless this corner. Look at this corner. Look at the size of this corner. You need to bless this corner. I've seen you do circle stand-ups on a friggin' median the size of a normal sidewalk in Chicago. So I'm pretty sure you can handle this big corner up here. Let's get a cheese. Not that bad of a line for this place. Okay, YouTube. It's been a cool but short tour of the city. Watching that guy drive like a douche for the last 10 minutes. We got to see Gino's, we got to see Pat's, we got to see the stunt spot, got to see the stadiums, let's see a little bit of the city. We saw some absolute madmen on Can-Am spiders. We got fat, and now we're heading home. Maybe get you some footage on the way home, but until then, I will see you guys at the next video.